In this video, we will talk about how to use AI for predictive analytics, so make sure to watch the full video. Predictive analytics harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to forecast future events and trends based on historical data. By analyzing patterns, behaviors, and correlations, businesses can make informed decisions that enhance their operations and drive growth. This process involves collecting and preparing data, selecting appropriate AI algorithms, and building robust predictive models. The integration of predictive analytics into business strategies can lead to improved customer insights, risk management, and operational efficiency. In this guide, we will explore how to effectively use AI for predictive analytics, providing you with the tools and knowledge needed to unlock valuable insights for your organization. 1. Understanding predictive analytics. A brief overview: predictive analytics is a branch of advanced analytics that utilizes statistical algorithms, machine learning techniques, and historical data to forecast future events. In this section, we will explore the key concepts of predictive analytics, including its purpose, benefits, and significance in various sectors. By understanding how predictive analytics works, you will gain insight into its applications, such as customer behavior prediction, risk assessment, and demand forecasting. This foundational knowledge will set the stage for leveraging AI to enhance predictive analytics capabilities, enabling more informed decision-making processes within organizations. 2. The role of AI in predictive analytics. Artificial intelligence, AI, plays a transformative role in predictive analytics by automating data analysis and improving prediction accuracy. This section will discuss how AI techniques, such as machine learning and deep learning, enhance traditional predictive models. We will cover the advantages of using AI in predictive analytics, including the ability to process vast amounts of data quickly, identify complex patterns, and adapt to new information in real time. Additionally, we will highlight the integration of AI tools and frameworks that facilitate the development of predictive models, demonstrating how AI can elevate predictive analytics to new heights. 3. Identifying use cases for predictive analytics in your industry. Different industries can leverage predictive analytics for various applications, tailored to their unique challenges and objectives. In this section, we will examine specific use cases across multiple sectors, such as finance, healthcare, retail, and manufacturing. For example, in finance, predictive analytics can forecast credit risk, while in healthcare, it can predict patient outcomes. We will discuss how to identify relevant use cases within your industry, considering factors like data availability, potential ROI, and alignment with business goals. This understanding will help you prioritize initiatives that maximize the impact of predictive analytics in your organization. 4. Gathering and preparing data for analysis. Data quality is paramount for successful predictive analytics, as the accuracy of predictions hinges on the data used to train models. This section will cover strategies for gathering and preparing data, including sourcing data from internal systems, public datasets, and third-party providers. We will discuss essential data preparation steps, such as data cleaning, transformation, and normalization, to ensure that the dataset is ready for analysis. Additionally, we will emphasize the importance of feature selection and engineering, explaining how the right features can significantly enhance model performance and predictive accuracy. 5. Electing the right AI algorithms for prediction. Choosing the appropriate AI algorithms is critical for developing effective predictive models tailored to your specific needs. In this section, we will explore various machine learning algorithms commonly used in predictive analytics, such as linear regression, decision trees, random forests, and neural networks. We'll discuss the strengths and weaknesses of each algorithm and provide guidance on selecting the best one based on your data characteristics and the nature of the prediction task. By understanding the nuances of different algorithms, you can make informed decisions that lead to more accurate and reliable predictions. 6. Building predictive models. Step-by-step guide. Building a predictive model involves several key steps, each crucial to achieving optimal performance. This section will provide a step-by-step guide to the model building process, including splitting your data into training and testing sets, training the model, and validating its performance. We will discuss the importance of hyperparameter tuning, cross-validation techniques, and the iterative nature of model development. By following this structured approach, you will learn how to create robust predictive models that effectively leverage AI techniques to generate accurate forecasts. 7. Evaluating model performance and accuracy. After developing your predictive model, evaluating its performance is essential to ensure it meets your objectives. In this section, we will explore various metrics for assessing model accuracy, including precision, recall, F1 score, and mean squared error, tailored to your specific prediction goals. we'll discuss the importance of confusion matrices and ROC curves in interpreting model performance. Additionally, we will cover techniques for improving model accuracy, such as feature selection, ensemble methods, and addressing data imbalance, ensuring your predictive model delivers reliable insights. 8. Implementing predictive analytics solutions in business operations. Once your predictive model is trained and validated, the next step is to implement it within your business operations. This section will discuss strategies for integrating predictive analytics solutions into existing workflows, including the use of dashboards, reporting tools, and automated decision-making systems. We'll explore the importance of user training and change management to ensure successful adoption across teams. By effectively implementing predictive analytics, you can enhance operational efficiency, improve decision-making processes, and drive data-driven initiatives within your organization. 9. Monitoring and maintaining predictive models. Predictive models require ongoing monitoring and maintenance to ensure their continued effectiveness and relevance. In this section, we will discuss the importance of tracking model performance over time, identifying potential issues such as concept drift, and retraining models with new data as necessary. We'll cover best practices for establishing a monitoring framework, including setting performance thresholds and utilizing automated alerts. By prioritizing model maintenance, you can ensure that your predictive analytics solutions remain accurate and aligned with evolving business conditions. 10. Future trends in AI and predictive analytics. As AI technology continues to advance, the field of predictive analytics is poised for significant transformation. In this section, we will explore emerging trends in AI and predictive analytics, such as the rise of explainable AI, automated machine learning, AutoML, and the integration of real-time data for instant predictions. We'll discuss how these trends are shaping the future of predictive analytics and the implications for businesses looking to leverage AI-driven insights. By staying informed about these developments, you can position your organization to capitalize on the latest innovations in predictive analytics, ensuring long-term success in an increasingly data-driven world. In conclusion, utilizing AI for predictive analytics offers organizations a powerful means to harness data for informed decision-making and strategic planning. By understanding the fundamentals of predictive analytics and the role of AI, businesses can identify key use cases that align with their objectives. The process of gathering and preparing data, selecting suitable algorithms, and building effective predictive models is crucial for achieving accurate forecasts. Additionally, implementing these solutions within operational workflows ensures that insights can be readily acted upon. Ongoing monitoring and maintenance of predictive models will help sustain their effectiveness over time. As technology advances, staying abreast of emerging trends in AI and predictive analytics will empower organizations to adapt and thrive in an increasingly data-driven landscape, fostering innovation and long-term success. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.